Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to study physics for Neet from zero-level only way. Begin by building core concepts in kinematics, vectors, and Newton's laws with simple problems each day. Focus on understanding rather than memorizing formulas, and write down key derivations in your own words. Short, consistent practice beats long cramming sessions, so plan daily 45 to 60-minute, focused blocks and review mistakes immediately. Set a realistic, repeatable study routine that balances concepts and problems every week. Start sessions with a quick revision of yesterday's notes, then spend most time solving representative problems and end with a short summary of mistakes. Rotate topics like mechanics, thermodynamics, and electromagnetism to keep your brain engaged. Small daily wins compound, so celebrate solving tougher questions and adjust time allocations based on performance. Pick reliable resources and stick to them to avoid confusion and knowledge gaps. Work through selected problems deeply instead of skimming many, and keep an error log for persistent weaknesses. Regularly simulate exam conditions with timed mocks and review them critically to improve accuracy and speed. Stay curious, ask mentors when stuck, and prioritize understanding over rote steps to ensure concepts become tools for solving novel questions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.